Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup copy and then opening the protected workbook. This preserves the original if anything goes wrong. Next, enable the Developer tab or press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor because you will run a small macro. Once in VBA, make sure the project is unlocked for viewing. If it's locked, note that requires owner access. Now create a new module and prepare to paste the Sheet Unprotect macro code so you can try automated removal. You paste the Unprotect macro into the new module. This code iterates sheets and attempts password removal by reassigning protection properties. Run the macro with F5 and watch the immediate window or sheet status to confirm which sheets became editable and why. It reports success or failure per sheet. If some sheets remain protected, repeat with different macro variants or target worksheet objects directly. Make sure to save the workbook as an XLSM so the macros persist, and you can continue testing without losing the changes. You finish by unprotecting workbook structure and individual sheets. Sometimes sheet protection is separate from workbook protection, so check both. If VBA cannot remove protection because of a strong password, you can try the XML route for XLSX files by changing the package contents and removing protection tags. This requires unzipping, editing XML, and rezipping correctly. If neither works, restore from your backup and contact the sheet owner. Always reapply any needed protections intentionally once you confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.